Listen from LA Plans, and today I will be setting up a mini HP notebook. So I have this order from Cloth and Paper, and then I have this from Amazon. So this is a top opening pocket. I want to use this for stickers. I also ordered from the exact same brand, and I'll make sure to leave these linked below, but I also ordered business card holder, and then I have all of these items from Cloth and Paper. So let me open this up and show y'all what I got. So I have a few items for my A5 that I'm gonna put aside, and I'm gonna share this in a different video. But I got all new 2021 inserts to try them out. These are the monthly view, the dated monthly inserts. And then this is the calendar. So I grabbed these two for my A5, and then everything else is for the HP Mini. So I purchased the dated monthly, the glass dividers, the monthly tab in black, task insert notes, the today dashboard, the traverse dashboard. I love this one, and I have this one in my work agenda, and I will be using this HP Mini notebook for work. So I wanted to kind of have it match. And then I ordered the inbox, and then we have undated hourly inserts, which I'm really excited to try out. So this is everything that we'll be putting in here. And then we have a couple of freebies that came in the order. So I'm probably gonna include these in here as well. I'm really excited that they included the cards. So I have those, and then I ordered the 1-inch discs. So one thing that I really wanted to purchase was the glass covers, but they're currently sold out. So I have my notifications on them, and whenever they come back in stock, I am gonna add it to this, to the system, because I really just want that coverage, especially since it's for work and it's gonna go all over the place and go in my bag. But for now, I'll probably just use a divider or something. And so I'm using this as a notebook. And so I did the monthly tabs because what I plan on doing is using this kind of like to organize my notes as well. And I take a lot of notes. I do a lot of webinars. I have a lot of meetings, and it just really fills up my planner very quickly. And I can't keep a lot of things in there that I want to keep in there. And so I figured this would be the perfect solution as an addition to my agenda. And then I also ordered the undated hourly inserts so I can manage my time a little bit better. But so I am going to set this up and then go through everything with y'all once I'm done. All right, and then here is everything all together. So I really wanted to try discs for a while, and it didn't work with Happy Planner, and everyone just recommended trying like aluminum discs and then kind of like using inserts. And so I went with Cloth and Paper because I know I love their inserts, I love their products, and so I feel like trying this new system, like in trying discs, I'm actually gonna like it more because I already know I love the inserts. I already know like these inserts work for me, especially the functionalities. I also just love how in discs, like in all of the photos, like in everything you see, you get a true lay flat design, and it's perfect. And you can truly like flip it completely open, and you have your full notebook right here, and it's flat and it's easy to write on. And that's like the main thing that I love about discs, and that's one of the main reasons why I wanted the notebook. I know it might sound a little strange, but I just truly love this ability right here because you don't have that in Ring. So that's one thing that I was really looking forward to. And then also with discs, you're not limited. So with, you know, coil, you have what you have. And then with rings, you have as much as like you can squeeze on your rings. But with discs, I can easily upgrade these discs at any time, and I can do like a 2-inch if I want, a 1.5, and I can add anything that I really want in here. As long as I have like discs for it, I can really customize this, and I can really put whatever I want together. So I really want to try and get into this, and I think this is the perfect setup, and this is going to be the way that I'm going to get into discs because I already just love this. So mini flip through. So we have the Traverse dashboard. So in my work agenda, I have the Traverse dashboard, and this is just so it kind of matches. I also love, one more thing about the size, because I just love the size. I love how this is like the perfect like duo. So I have my planner, and this will be all of my main plans. And then I have all of my notes in one area. And then I just have all of my notes organized by month, so I can easily reference any meeting notes or like presentation notes or any webinars that I attended. I love that it's state specific, and this is one of the main reasons why I really wanted to do the monthly tabs, was so that I can easily find any notes and have it all in one spot, as opposed to having it on my rings where I had to keep taking them out because it was getting too bulky. Now I can keep everything all together in my own customized notebook. And so after the dashboard, we have the inbox, and so I primarily use sticky notes on my inbox, so we continue to do that. And then we get into the 2020 dated monthly insert. So we have what this belongs to, and I'll put my name in later, and then at a glance, and I'm just gonna mark all of our events for all of our businesses in here. Then we have a list of holidays for 2021, and then we have each monthly tab with the monthly insert from Cloth and Paper. And so each tab is gonna have the monthly insert, weekly, and then all of the note pages. And so for 2021 right now, it's just gonna have that monthly. I will have to start planning Q1 already. I wanted to get these and set this up now because I do have to plan things so far in advance, a lot, that I just really wanted to keep this here. And I wanted to have all of the months at all times so I can easily come in and write things down and easily track whatever I need. And that's like the true purpose of this, is so I can always have a spot to plan whatever I need to plan, in addition to my current system. So we have the monthly inserts, and then moving on to the current month. So I kind of already preset some things up. So this is how probably all of my pages are gonna look. So I just went in and I did stuff that I did yesterday, and then I added some of the stuff from today. And so I really want this to highlight already what's in my agenda, like these dates and these meetings, but then everything that I need to block my time for. So prepping for the meeting, this is like, I needed this amount of time to do this. I did reports after our manager call, and so on. And so I'm going to use this different ways. It's primarily going to be for blocking my time and managing my time. It's mainly going to be for future dating, so I can go in and say, okay, I'm going to create content all afternoon here. I'm going to prep for the meeting like 2 hours before or 4 hours before, and like mark that off. So this is really just so I can manage my time more efficiently, and that's why I like these. Personally, I wouldn't use these for like personal weekly inserts because Saturday and Sunday are so small, but that's perfect because I never work on the weekends. If we do, it's events, and this will be perfect for whenever we do have events. So I might use these as checklists, because that's one thing that these don't have, are checklists. So I might use these as like a weekly checklist. We'll see, but I'm really excited to use these. And so I just have enough for the month. And then I separated my note section with the today dashboard. I don't know if I kind of like separating the notes with the weeks with this, so I might actually end up doing it like this. We'll see. But I added some sticky notes on here, and then we get into the task inserts, and so I just put a couple behind here. However, when they release the executive note inserts, I'm gonna buy those. So they came in the most recent Cloth and Paper subscription box, or maybe the one before that. And let me just show y'all. So I really want these inserts for in here because they have the date, and since I'm marking and managing and pretty much filing these by date, these are perfect. And I've just loved using these. Like these have been my go-to like note inserts because of everything that they have. So there's subject, and then you can mark the day, month, and date. And that will be perfect for in here because then everything will be completely organized. And I'm still probably going to use these for different lists and different things like that. But we have that, and then that's everything. And so I'll do another like review or setup in or near 2021, but essentially the monthly inserts will go up front, and then we'll have the weeks, and then we'll have notes for all of the months. It's just right now with what I have in the current month, this is the current setup, but we have all of those. And then it's the same for November and December. And then we have these top pockets, I guess is what you'll call them, from Amazon. These will be linked down below. So they fit the cloth and paper stickers. However, you have to trim them just a little bit. They're a little too big, but if you trim them, they fit perfectly. Added some of the work icons from the planner spot. And so I really wanted to have one for stickers. And then I don't know what I'm going to use the other one for, but we're just going to keep it here for now and figure it out when it comes. And then we have the business card holders. And so these just came in and I added them. And so I flipped this one over. So this is supposed to be the front, and I didn't want to see like that here. So for now, I just have my October planner card from Cloth and Paper here. I don't know what I'm going to put in here just yet, but when we do, let me just show y'all. You can fit like page flags in here as well. So let me put it in this way so y'all can see what it looks like. And then let me grab one of the planner cards. So it fits everything perfectly, and so I might actually keep these in here like this because I like that. And then I'm going to keep my like actual business cards for work back here. I don't know where I put them, but I'm probably going to keep those back here, and then probably my bosses, and then we have a social media card, so I'm going to probably keep those right here so I have them and they're organized. But yeah, this is the current setup, and I absolutely love this. So it has everything I need, including stickers. Temporarily, while I wait for the HP mini covers from Cloth and Paper to restock, I'm going to use one of the top divider pockets as like the cover to protect the dashboard, and that way like I feel more comfortable like taking it places. But this is a pretty good back as well. But yeah, other than that, that is my setup, and I'm really excited to try this out and use it. I think already it's going to work great based on what I did here. It's going to be perfect because this is everything that I need. And this is everything that I think I've been missing from my agenda. And it's just going to make a lot more room in my agenda with all my notes in one spot. And I won't have to archive my notes like every month, which is perfect. I can easily reference them. But I just feel like this is the perfect setup for what I was needing for work. And I just love how everything just works and flows so well together. So yeah, other than that, that is the setup, and that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.